Randy here, Jamaica Good Life again. Just driving through and top a nice beat. Just driving through neighborhood, checking out the place, you know. Alright. You put on the seatbelt. This is Cathedral Close. This is in Manchester. And I heard that a new housing scheme is being built. And there are lots for sale. Private property. Lots for sale. There you go, people. Look what Randy found for you. Here's what I say to you. When you must call me and say, Randy, thank you. No one must buy the t-shirt. I didn't have to do this. No one must call me and say, thank you for that, Randy. I buy a piece of the lot. How would you guys know about this? How would you know about this if I didn't put the work in? Support the thing. Lots for sale. On a buy it. 876-825-0330. I'm say a private property, but you know, say a free promotion, so make us say what go on. So basically, this is a new housing scheme. Christopher just told us. The housing scheme is going to be over here, people. So you must always buy lots when you can. I hope me not get shot. So no contact the number and okay, private property. So that's for sale. Wanna know what for do? Can't say Randy take care of. Oh no, don't worry about nothing. Everything gonna be alright. Foreigners, this is Manchester. Upon coming neighborhood, everything will be alright. Look on the house. Them the people that are built near you, so you'll be fine. Buy the lot, then you know what you do. If you don't like to live here, sell it later. Just send me profit. Come on, sir Randy, you know, sir. You make me make the $20,000. You know, Randy. By that time, they may all still, you know. But you're going to say, you know, Randy, you make me make the $20,000, you know. If you never drive through the place that day there and show, you know, and Christopher show, we say, yo, land and sell up there. But I never buy the lots in around here and make a profit, you know. So, you know what I'm going to do? You know, I just give you 10 grand in around there. Hold that, man, because you did good for me. See the neighborhood there. So that's for sale. That is big. If me didn't know, me know. Buy it, man. Now I'm going to show you guys. If you buy the lot, look on the house that we have built and the gate them around here. This is near Midway. Right? Everything in Jamaica will be improving. Lots and lands are expensive. When you buy lots, stuff like this, you could always sell it back. Yes, I. Alright. So, they might shoot me. They might shoot me. You see that? Yes. Look on the house there. Hey. People live good around here. Them alright. No trespassing. Midway. Some pig food to go feed the hog. The Jamaica Good Life pigs them. People, this is Jamaica Good Life. This is Randy. We finished up Bolton today. It was a drive. It was an adventure. And now we're driving through. You know, I show you how beautiful this place is. You know what I'm saying? Manchester is nice and beautiful, you know. Just have to watch the program to the end of all times. If you're watching the program for the first time, make sure say whatever you do, you watch everything. I'm gonna start hide in the programs. Don't skip it. Lands for sale, lots for sale, a lot of for sale. Wherever I go and find it, I'll put it in there because I'm helping out my country. But don't call me, ask me no information. I'm not a real estate agent. If you see the phone number, ask them question. You can't be too bright and face when I do all the work and I show no business propositions and things. I will not call me, ask me question. No sir, don't do it. Disgusting and excited. But clear for me. Jamaica Good Life bigger than the city. And they are driving a style. Look there now, church nice and thing. On the way to Newport, there's some nice homes. But I like it or not, so you just mind your business and live in Jamaica and everything is everything. So anyone who can find lots of things and they must buy it and just want to get a good lawyer, please do. A good lawyer. One a big one there. They're building a percent over there. Until next time, I'm gonna just take care of yourself.